changes are not seen outside the function. Okay, now let us look at another structure. So now it is many a times useful to have a basket, and the basket also gives you some useful functions, not just the items but also some functions uh, which you can apply. So that kind of basket or that kind of structure is called a class. For example, a class can contain so many kinds of variables, data types, everything. It can also contain so many functions too, which will operate on those data types. For example, create a shopping list, and that uh, object or that class should have uh, items like the dictionary and whatever you want, and it should also give you a capacity to add and subtract items. Basically, it will give you functions to add items, subtract items, print the names of items, print their quantities, whatever you want. It provides you not just with the those items but also functions to do different operations on those items. That is called a class. It is a very useful concept. Let us see an example. So this is the shopping list class shopping list. I'm defining, so when you initialize it, I'll tell you what is the meaning of initialization. So basically when you create, so imagine class is a kind of basket, and when I so this is the template, and I can create so many baskets with this template. One basket could be my shopping list for Amazon. One basket could be my shopping list for the local market. One basket could be my shopping list for my lab accessories. So I can make so many kinds of shopping lists, but each list has functions and provision to have items there. So in this case, I'm initializing, let's say I want to create a new shopping list for Vipul. Similarly, somebody can create a shopping list for Manoj, somebody shopping list for Vinay. So like that, different people can create their own shopping lists, but the same class can be used by all of them. So that is the class, which is the concept, which is used by everybody. And then you have instances of that class, like one shopping list for Amazon, one shopping list for Vipul, one shopping list for Vinay, one shopping list for Ravi. So this is the way we do classes and instances of the classes, which means the actual baskets or actual objects. So the class is the template. So what is inside the class? Whenever I create an object, automatically one item is created or one list is created, which is empty. Empty list is created. And now it gives me provision, a function to add an item. So what does it mean? Add an item to, so self means this function operates on the same object, means on the same instance of the class. You'll understand this when we see examples. Key and value. I want to add bananas. How many? 5. So that is the thing. So same thing, if key is already there, then you increment it. If the key is not there, then you just make the thing, add that item to the list. Then subtract item. Let's say if you want to remove the values. So let's say you decrement, let's say instead of 5 bananas, now I want just 2 bananas. So I have to reduce by 3. So if I make my val 3 and I say reduce 3 bananas, then it will do it. If it is there in the, and then remove item. If I want to remove an item altogether, I don't want any bananas, I'll just say remove banana from my object. It will do it. Delete that from the list. Delete this key, which is banana. Then print the list. I want to print my shopping list. I will just say print self.listDict. ListDict is this thing which I created the dictionary in the beginning. Now let us see how to use this class. Okay, I created my shopping list called SL1 or shopping list 1, or it could mean shopping list of Vipul, it could mean shopping list for Amazon. So this is my one shopping list by me. So this is, I want now add item to my shopping list. How many bananas? 12 bananas. Then add item, how many apples? 6 apples. And then print the list. This is what it prints. 12 bananas, 6 apples. Then I say subtract item. I don't want 12 bananas, but I want 7 bananas only. So I subtract 5 bananas. And then I say print list. What does it print? Print 7 bananas, 6 apples. Then I say remove item apple. I don't want apples altogether. I don't want any apple. Then if I print my list, what do I get? Bananas 7 only, no apples. Okay, so this is how I can also create another shopping list, SL2. Shopping list 2 is equal to shopping list, and I can say SL2 dot add item I want to buy notebooks. How many? 12 notebooks. And I say SL2 dot print list. See, this is now my SL2. So now SL1 and SL2 are two different objects. SL2 are two instances of the class shopping list. Yeah, so this is the concept. That's it. So if you understand this part, you're pretty much good to go with functions and classes. Thank you very much.